Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Teen Titans Battlegrounds again, and today I'm going to be telling you all about the ones you want to use, all of the characters you want to use to just have fun in the first row and the wave 1 row in this one, okay? So if you wanna just have fun, you can use Gizmo, Jinx, and Apprentice Robin if you want to have fun in that way. Or if you want to have fun, you can just use Beast Boy, Raven, or Cyborg. So yeah, those are all the ones you want to use to have fun. Now the ones you want to use to grind are the one is Robin, Starfire, Mammoth, because he has like a lot of health, and Slade. So yeah, let's get into the game. So the weapon you're going to want to use for Robin is a bow staff. And to go far, you're going to want to press on the smoke bomb and put it just right somewhere right there to make you go far. Or if you do it backwards and like that, yeah, you go even further. So yeah, it's very cool. Okay, comment down below your favorite character, because mine is Robin and Raven. And you can also use the smoke bomb to blind people. Here's a zone for me to kill him. Boom, 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 boom. Nope, you're dead. You're dead. You're actually dead. You're actually so trustworthy. Okay, well, you got the one you wanted. Okay, now let's play some strucid. This seems stupid. Comment down below if you want me to do face cam. Yo. Oh. Should die. Upload shit content. yeah, this I'm a shit content. I'm gonna try to get game one. So shit content. Now I can just go over that, right? Oh, oh, fuck. G'day. Bang, bang. I will bang your head. I will bang your head against an ass wall. I will bang your head. God damn. Oh, I hate you. I hate this guy. I really hate him. Like, I really a goddamn ass hate him. Oh, because this loser doing? He's setting off stink bombs. He's the big boy. He's a-hole. Asshole. Asshole. I'm not really gonna kill him. $360. Yay, yay. Did I ever tell you I'm bad at this game? And only half of the time get kills? Got him. Got him. He's actually down. I literally downed him. Or this guy is literally supposed to be dead. It's meant for him to be dead. How did I not kill him that first shot? How did I not fucking kill him that first shot? Okay, we have a sniper up there. Oh. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna end the video here by ending my goddamn life. Before I die.